when we want to scale the patient, we want to put the patient in the right position. If the patient is in the right position and the clinician is in the right position, then we can maintain our ergonomic in a way that when we work, we don't have to compensate, bend and compensate. If the patient is put in the wrong position, we have to bend and compensate when we work, and therefore we can lead to injury. So when you work on the maxilla, you want to have the patient supine, lie down in a supine position. And the way that helps to remember is that the maxilla is perpendicular to the floor. That's when you want to work on the maxilla. If we want to work on the mandible, then if we leave the patient in the supine position, we actually have to bend our body to look at the mandibular arch. And imagine if the cheeks are in the way, it also hinders you. So to prevent from bending, when you work on the mandibular teeth, you need to bring the patient up in a semi-supine position. And the patient, the way you maintain the height of the patient when the patient lies down is that you use your elbow as your reference point. You should bring the patient down. The arch that you're working should be down around your elbow level so that your arm will be relaxed at a relaxed position. If the arch is put in the wrong position, for example, if I want to work on the maxilla right now, and this patient is in semi-supine position, then in order to reach the maxilla is way above my elbow. Therefore, in order to compensate, I actually have to raise my hands up and look at the bend sideways to look at the maxillary arch. You can see that creates an ergonomic problem. So to prevent that from happening, this patient needs to be in a supine position. So therefore, bring the patient down in the supine position, and now you can see that the body is more relaxed, the arms are resting on the side.